Well, tonight we're going to have a lunar eclipse, they say, about 1 in the morning. That's the moon coming up right now, between the trees there. We'll get back with y'all later, and hopefully I can get it on camera to show you the lunar eclipse. Well, I'm getting ready to go to bed now. It's about 8:30. Kind of cool again tonight. Here's the moon up here. About 1 o'clock this morning, there's going to be an eclipse of the moon, and till about 5 this morning. So we're going to get up and try to get it on camera. This is the moon about 12:10 a.m. It's now about 1:35 in the morning, and the moon is starting to be partially eclipsed on the side of it. We'll check it in an hour, about 2:30. Well, it's now 2 in the morning, and it's a little bit more eclipsed now. Doesn't look red yet or anything like that. Just a dark shadow on the side of it now. We'll check back in half an hour. Well, it's 2:30 a.m. and I can see some looks like reddish orange on the side, and it's about half eclipsed right now at 2:30 a.m. Well, it's 2:40 a.m. now, and almost looks like a diamond. The white part of the moon is almost gone. The orange part's kind of starting to take over, and it's December 21st, 2010. Good morning, everyone. It's 2:45 a.m. on the 21st of December 2010. That's the moon in front of me. It's now orange and red. It's been eclipsed, and there's not very much white left at all. I'm looking at an orange reddish moon right now. I don't know how well I can see it on the flip share, but to the naked eye it's really cool looking, and glad I stayed up for it. I'll be checking back about every 15 to 30 minutes on the progress, but right now at about 2:45 a.m. on December 21st, 2010, it is now eclipsed, and it's orange and red from Okeechobee, Florida. Merry Christmas from Okie Bass Suits. This is the moon at 3 a.m. Totally eclipsed. It's all orange and red now. No white at all. Really cool looking. Here from Okeechobee, Florida. It's now 3:15 a.m. December 21st, 2010. I'll be checking back about 3:30. That's the moon right there. Still totally eclipsed at 3:15. It's now 3:30 a.m. The moon is still eclipsed at this time. Really cool looking. I don't think the chickens in the neighborhood know what to do about it. They've been crowing for like the last hour. Well, I'm going to check back in a little while. Right now it's about 3:32. Well, it's kind of hard to sleep. It's 3:45, and that is the moon. Starting to show a little white now at 3:45, and we'll keep checking back every 15 minutes on the progress of the eclipse of the moon, December 21st, 2010. It's now 4 a.m. December 21st, 2010. The white is starting to show back on the eclipse of the moon. We've got white, orange, and red now at 4 a.m. So I'll check back in a little while, probably about 4:30, on the progress of it. Well, it's now 4:15, and the white is now starting to come back. A little bit of orange still left, orange and red, at 4:15 a.m. I'll get back probably about 4:30 and check on it again at 4:30. It's now 4:30 on December 21st, 2010. The bottom part of the moon is still eclipsed. Most of the white is back now at this time. I'll check back in about 15 minutes at about 4:45. Well, it's update time again. It's 4:45 a.m. December the 21st, 2010, Tuesday morning. The eclipse is now probably almost done with. I'll check back one or two more times. I've been taking cat naps, so I didn't miss anything, but it's just a dark shadow now at the bottom of the moon, and it's almost completely white at 4:45. Well, good morning. It's now 5 in the morning, December 21st, 2010. The eclipse is almost over. There's only a little bit of a shadow left on the moon right now. Hope you all enjoyed the show. I enjoyed real tired, but staying up all night getting to see the eclipse of the moon. And it was really cool. It turned orange and red. And I'm going to show this one more time, I think, and that'll be it for the video of the eclipse of the moon. Again, I hope everyone enjoyed the little video that I did on the eclipse. Well, I'm calling it a morning. Stayed up all night to watch the eclipse of the moon, and it's now 5:30 a.m. on December 21st, 2010. Hope you all enjoyed it.